Today, Sheikh Hamdan bin Rashid Al Maktoum inaugurated the 39th edition of the Big Five International Building and Construction Show right here in Dubai. Running until November the 29th at the Dubai World Trade Center, the Big Five 2018 hosts more than 2,500 exhibitors, over 100 workshops, and 5 high-level summits. This year, HVAC R Expo, the Big Five Solar, the Urban Design and Landscaping Summit, the Big Five Heavy, and Middle East Concrete also run as part of the Big Five, creating one mega construction event as $2.3 trillion worth of construction projects in the GCC continue to attract global industry players to Dubai.